Gravel roads are the roads, often less traveled. However, they require more maintenance than we think. The Ward County Highway Department has started its gravel road repair project. Wintertime takes a toll on these roads, creating soft spots and sinking edges, which can be dangerous. During the summer, the department takes care of the issues.
Anytime you have a lot of traffic and the road hasn't been built to handle that, so part of it is the equipment has gotten bigger, both in farming, construction, what they haul to the elevator. So as a county, you're trying to help bring these roads up to that standard.
And that project will be completed by the end of the summer.
People can now bid online for state fleet vehicles.